Hey guys, how you doing? It's Debbie and I'm back working on some paintings again. So, I'm keeping busy painting right now. Since we don't have a whole lot of other things to do. No, actually I have a lot to do, but some people just keep really busy and I'm one of them. Okay, so I am using all Liquitex again because I happen to have a lot of that right now. So I'm using all my colors, our Liquitex, and I'm going to reuse this little cup here I was using. It's a little dirty, but it's okay. I don't care. And this white that I'm going to put in the cup first, this is it is only mixed with a little with Floetrol, okay, and so is the black. So titanium white with Floetrol, and the same with the black. And the rest of the colors all have a little bit of silicone in them, a drop or two. One of them got a big drop. And I took that one out of the group. Hopefully there's none in here with a big drop because I would like a little small amount of cells, but more than no cells. Seems like, whether I get a ton or none. But anyways, so the base that all the colors are mixed with are untinted base 3 Valspar with the varnish. 4 parts untinted base, 1 part varnish, Minwax, oil base. That's converted to water. I mean, that's good. You can use with water. And 1 part Floetrol. Okay? And that is in all my colors to make them to... Well, first I got them all, so I liked it. Like that is already too thick again. So I'm just going to add a little drop of water, or a couple little drops, to get it to where it must be. It feels awful warm in here. I live down here in South Florida, and it's very hot here. Already, we're starting to get our humidity back. And that's better, much better. Okay, so I don't know what I was going to tell you. Guess it wasn't important, I hope. Anyways, I got to get moving on this because I'm running out of memory space. All right, so I'm going to get some white in there first. And I'm kind of enjoying putting, I don't know, Sosmo amount. My white's already getting thick. Jeez. It must be so hot in here that everything's like not happy. I think I'll just put in that's probably enough in there anyways. Okay, what color do I want next? God only knows. A little bit of... You guys, I am so sorry. I forgot to pull you down. Okay, sorry about that. That's all I did was put the white and yellow in. And I'm going to add a little bit more. This is kind of homemade mix. This one right here is because it's yellow ochre with a little touch of black because I wanted it a little bit more organic than what it was. So I'm going to hold this up real high and let it run through it all. See what it does there. And, oh, what the heck. A little bit of red. Should we do a little purple? I'm just going to put that on one side. We'll see how that ends up. If I just put on one side. Oh, yes, and some black. Okay. All right, where am I? Okay. This is plain Glidden with a little bit of water in it to give it a ride to the edges. And speaking of the edges, I'm going to add just a little touch of the black to get it to the, just in case it's needed. Probably won't be, but I don't know. Seems like the thing to do lately. There we go. All right, now for its Uber ride. And as soon as you think about it, you have a hard time getting it on there. Okay. Just being selective where I put that a little bit. Okay, I have a little bit more in case I need it. A very little bit. All right. Ugh, I shouldn't have done that. Look at all the little dots. Got just a one little dot, a couple little dots of the purple right now, not very much. So now what I can do is maybe add a little bit more. This time I'm choosing black. Sometimes I choose my my Uber ride, which is just the house paint mixed with some water. Definitely, maybe I'll let it sit a little bit longer. It's gotten a little bit more interesting the longer it sits. Let's see. For now, until I want to pour some more, I'm going to go ahead and use my paint sticks just to hold it on for now, till I'm ready to get rid of some more of it. Oh shit, I didn't want that to happen. There we go. Oops, bring it back, come on back. Just kidding, we don't want to lose you yet. Okay, let's bring that back. Ooh, I gotta get a little bit up over here. I don't want to lose that piece. It's kind of a nice place for your eye to rest. Let's see what we got going now. Let's see, let's run this way. Did I get you dizzy right there? Oh. I don't know which way I want to go now. There's all kinds of stuff I'm liking and I don't want to lose. So maybe if we pull it up just a little bit this way. Pull her back down. Woo! Almost slipped out of my hand. There's so much paint. It's so slippery. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's time to take a look. See, if I slide it all this way, then the whole thing will just be busy. So if I kind of leave it alone right now, it's got a couple spots where your eye needs to rest. So I think I'm going to just leave this alone and call it done. So anyways, that's kind of my thinking. So anyways, guys, thank you for stopping by again. I hope you really learned something or I entertained you a little bit. Let me show you up close. It's probably still moving a little bit. I might move it that way just a little bit. See if I can put those sails back together. Okay, now let's pull it back. Pull her all the way back. There, I think I'm gonna leave that one now. Kind of like the way it looks. Kind of, can't think of the name I want to use, but anyways, I'm done. Thank you so much for stopping by.